Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can operate Google Chat on your iPhone. First thing you have to do, open your iPhone and make sure that you already download the Google Chat. If you cannot find the Google Chat application in your phone, just tap into the App Store, and now you just need to type into the search button and just type the Google Chat into the search button. Now just go click in the share search ad and make sure that you got this application with the title and this icon. Now just need to download and wait until the download process is finished. Whenever the download for this process is success, just go tap open to open it. So this is the look of the Google Chat application for the beginning. So there will be only one button that pop up on your screen, and you just need to go tap it. They'll be bring you into the account of Google that is registered into your phone, and then you just need to pick the account that you want to use for the Google Chat that you want to operate here. Whenever you already decide the account, go tap into the button and go click done, and you will be logged in into your account. Now if you want to start a message, just go tap into these bubbles, just add the Google account or Gmail of your friends that you want to chat, and just go tap it and you can start the conversations. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.